Hey fam, welcome back to our channel Ayushi Aditi Card Zone. So we are back with the part 2 video, and in this video we will learn how to decorate the full scrapbook. So before we jump into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it and also press on the bell icon so that you get notification of our videos. And when you press on the bell icon, please select all so that you never miss any update from our end. So let's get started with the tutorial. We have taken this paper pad from Dress My Craft, and all the links of these products is given in the description box below in case you want to buy. Okay, now let's get started with the scrapbook. So this is the first page that we are decorating, and it's all just a glimpse how you can decorate your own scrapbook. And you can shuffle these pages, like we are decorating the first page like this. You can go for the third page like this, and that's how you can shuffle your whole scrapbook and decorate it like we are doing. And in case you have missed out the part 1 video, in that video we have shown how to make the whole base of this scrapbook, so do check it out. And all the products that has been used in this video is from brand Dress My Craft, and the link to buy is given in the description box below, so do check out the description box as well. This scrapbook is for a baby girl who just turned 1 year old, and this is how you have to keep going till the last page, and you can be as creative as you can. Firstly, we will complete the whole decoration, and then we will get out the printouts of the photos of the sizes that is required. Hope you all are enjoying the video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel as yet, do subscribe it and also press on the bell icon so that you never miss any update from our end. And this is how you have to glue your photos in all the pages. The pages are done. Now let's decorate it one by one. When we were making our base, we have made secret photo keeper pages, and this is how we are keeping our secret photos between two pages. Now we are making shaker for the cover, and again these products are from brand Dress My Craft, and this is a brad pin that we will be using so that our shaker can rotate in 360 degrees. And this is the shaker element that we will be using in our shaker card. So our shaker is ready. Now let's decorate the cover. This is the box that we have already prepared, and now we will decorate it. Yay, our scrapbook and box is ready. So now enjoy the unboxing. Hope you all have enjoyed the tutorial. Also, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share. Until next time, bye bye, take care.